Hey guys, this is Megan with 1000 Generation Farms. Today we are down by the shed with Joseph and pulling the combine out once again. Gonna do a few different things to it that need to be done before harvest, so we're gonna walk you through that stuff. Won't you come farming with us? So we kind of walked you through this before when we were getting the combine out and kind of prepping it for harvest. But once again, we have to get all of our equipment back out of the shed because the combine is parked in the back. And I believe in the last video I showed you kind of where our corn and our bean head were, and we're gonna touch some more on that stuff too today. Just what kind we have, and then hopefully we will get the bean head put on the combine.
So what we're gonna do is take this big belt, which is tensioned right here by this spring. It runs the chopper back here. So we're gonna take it off of this big pulley, and we're gonna run it down directly onto this pulley right here and take this small belt off. So we're gonna loosen the tension off of that spring back there so we can slip this belt off.
And this is for beans, right?
Yeah, we're
so
setting it
with
up.
corn, you'll put it back on that small belt. Okay.
Yeah, so change all that out, and so that's what we're doing right now.
Okay. So you're loosening that spring, correct?
Yeah.
And this had some kind of thing over it, right?
Yeah, the shield right
Oh,
there.
that's right. Okay.
Held on by 3 bolts. That's off. It doesn't fall off the pulley there. We have to loosen the tension off of that short little belt, which is just up here. Which we need to go. Ouch! Down. So, right. And we need to loosen that one too. This off. Looks like those welds have seen better days. I'm not gonna fix that today.
Where'd you find the stick?
You back up.
So that belt was on the top pulley, right?
Yes.
Okay.
There's back here. There's a double. This is a double pulley.
Okay.
Like so.
And then you just
And then you tighten up.
tighten that up and put the shield back on.
Yeah.
Cool. Do you have to do that to the other side too?
No, it just drives off of this side. This takes forever. toward the head. So what we're gonna do right now is obviously this shield was up here. Took it off, it just clips in place. We're going to change the feeder house speed, which you just slide this set of sprockets over. Right now we're set on corn because that's what we ended with last year. So the machine is set up for corn. So basically we just got to loosen these two bolts and we'll have to lengthen the chain, put this little extra piece of chain in there, and we'll slide over to this bigger sprocket, which will make the feeder house run slower. Yeah, should make it run slower. It's a bigger sprocket.
So it's kind of interesting because what's the thing we just changed?
Chopper?
Chopper, we made that
Go faster.
go faster. We're making this go slower. And this will be for beans. Okay.
I mean, there's more material that's coming through here, so
Yeah.
do that so that you don't plug up your machine.
Okay.
Actually, maybe I should take my chain apart first. Where's that at? Probably in a really bad spot.
Do you remember last year we had to buy a new one of those, or
No, we don't have to buy it.
maybe we couldn't find it or something?
Dave had it.
Oh, that's right.
So here's the half link, and it just slides out.
Did he already have it set for beans when we brought it home?
No, and it's set for corn.
That must have been 2 years ago then that we did that.
Yep.
Okay.
Gotta keep track of your little parts
So
in your
you
magnetic
took
dish.
this piece,
Yeah,
this
so that
little U-looking thing,
That's your safety clip. It comes off,
safety
and then,
clip off of that.
and then this little piece comes out, hopefully, and hopefully you don't drop it and lose it in the dirt. Done that before. It makes me really happy.
But it does.
I guess we could take the tension off that.
Take the tension off. So that's where the tension is.
Yeah, it's just an idler sprocket.
Idler sprocket.
Whatever you want to call it. Tension sprocket. Whatever. Slides up and down, then you tighten that nut.
Okay.
Keeps your chain tight. So now, where was I at here? Oh, right here. Yeah, there we go. That's better. See? And that just comes off.
Okay.
And then this piece is just this called, no, it's not really a half link. Well, yeah, no, it is a half link.
So you take that whole thing off and then you add the extra?
And then we'll add the extra back in here.
Okay.
And this piece has a piece just like that too. So
Okay.
this one will go in here, and then this piece here will go in that hole. Lengthen your chain by that much. Right now we're gonna just let it hang down so I can.
So this is the feeder house up here, and what's the one in the back?
This is the feeder house,
Okay.
and it goes into the cylinder and the beater, which cleans the grain. And then it takes all that straw and puts it up onto well, there's a fan in there blowing too. But then I think most of your straw is going to go up onto your straw walkers and come out the tail and drop down into that chopper.
Okay.
So.
What's the house back that we just adjusted?
The house.
Isn't there some kind of, it's not a feeder house, it's where all the debris comes out of.
The chopper?
The chopper.
That's just a...
It's not a chopper house. That sounds weird. Okay. The chopper. The feeder house and the chopper.
This should just slide over. It's running on a key here, so that's what...
And you put it from the little gear to the big gear. And you probably couldn't do that if you didn't have the extra chain.
Right. Right about there, I don't know. Somewhere in there. Somebody slipped off of this bolt a time or two. tighten your screws back down, your set screws.
Do you think like $1 million farmers do this stuff themselves, or do you think they take it to the shop and have it looked over and then they do it for them?
Oh, I think most guys adjust their own stuff. I don't know, some people, I was going the wrong way. That's good. Shoot. Damn nut.
Okay.
Hey, what's wrong? Alright. You tighten your jam nuts back down.
Tighten the jam nuts, okay.
So your set screws don't back out on you.
You need a drink, don't you? You're hot.
I'm trying to think of which way.
I think it was like that.
Was it like this?
No, the U was open the other way.
It was open like this?
Let me see. Yeah, I thought that's how you took it off, because that's how you laid it down.
I think so too. I just can't remember. Oops, I'm on part off here. Because you always want to put these on the direction your chain goes.
Okay.
Is it run like that? I think so.
And because we're 1,000 Generation Farms, next generation in here.
That's right. Yeah.
Yep, just let that be, okay? That's for Dad.
Oops. Oh, let's go the other way then.
You heard the airplane? Zoom.
Okay.
Zoom.
There.
Cool. And then you just tighten the tension.
Yeah, and then put tension back on this.
You hear the airplane? Can you go see it? Go look outside in the sky?
And there you have it.
Alright.
Okay, so now we're gonna change our feeder height, or our feeder house drum height.
So what does that mean?
So there's this drum in here that the feeder house chain comes around, and there's a specific distance between the floor of your feeder house and the chain. That's how far you want it to run off the floor of your feeder house.
Okay.
So for grain, soybeans, whatever, that's what we're doing now. So we need to have it run at the lower position.
And I'll go higher for corn?
Yeah, so right now it's set high.
Alright.
We'll loosen this. I think that should be all we have to do. So there's two little sight holes here, and then there's a diagram right here.
Okay.
You just rotate that cam around until the other hole lines up, and that's pretty much all there is to it. Now I gotta go do the other side too.
That's a lot easier to do than changing the belt and the...
I mean, we still need to check. Should probably check the clearance, make sure we've got the right. Because there is another cam up here that you can adjust.
You usually do that.
I haven't had to. It's been pretty well set. I don't know. Close enough.
So this is making the drum go lower. Because you want less clearance for the soybean.
I guess. Yeah. Right there. You getting bored?
You want Daddy's wrench?
Here, what's this?
That's just your size.
What is that?
That's just your size.
Okay, I'll take it back. That's down.
Okay. You're checking the oil?
And there's a oil reservoir here.
Okay.
I don't remember if you're supposed to check that with the feeder house in specific position or not.
All right, guys, that's all for today on Thousand Generation Farms. Thanks for joining us. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you like what you see. And words are hard. And then also, you know, if you want to see other things like specific, let us know in the comments. All right, we'll talk to you later. See ya.